Is your desk feeling cluttered, dull, or simply chaotic? It's time to improve your workstation with gadgets that appear pricey while also being really functional. From sleek, concrete organizers that keep your pens and notes neatly in place to high-tech floating globes that turn your desk into a conversation starter, we've rounded up 10 must-have workplace setup devices that blend design and functionality. Whether you're a student, gamer, content creator, or home office warrior, these ingenious accessories will help you organize cords, chargers, headphones, and stationery while adding a touch of refinement. Some are simple, some are wacky, but they all make your workstation more efficient, fun, and frankly much cooler to look at. Let's plunge in. Number 10. Kibaga Modern Aesthetic Desk Accessories Set of 3. If you want to add a bit of modern elegance to your desk while staying tidy, the Kibaga Modern Aesthetic Desk Accessory Set of 3 is a surprisingly stylish option. This set contains a pen holder, a note holder, and a metal clip holder, so you'll have everything you need to keep your basics handy. The concrete material provides it a sleek, minimalist appearance that looks great on any desk, whether at home, in school, or at work. It's lightweight but strong, and the brushed finish gives just the appropriate amount of refinement without seeming chilly or industrial. One of the most significant benefits is that this set helps to reduce clutter. Pens, notes, clips, and tiny office supplies all have their own designated location, keeping your desk tidy and appealing, which can greatly improve your focus and productivity. Beyond the desk, it's versatile enough to be used in children's rooms, toilets, and even creative spaces, providing you with many options to stay organized while maintaining style. On the other hand, because it is concrete, it is not particularly flexible. You won't be able to squeeze it into small corners or move it around without caution. And while the minimalist design is stunning, it may not fit everyone's taste if you want something brighter. Overall, the Kibaga Desk Organizer set is a great combination of use and design. It elevates any office while keeping everything organized, and the sleek concrete design makes it feel like a mini art piece on your desk. It's simple, stylish, and surprisingly practical. Number 9. Antane 6.5-foot Desk Clamp Power Strip. If your desk is becoming a jungle of chargers, cords, and devices, the Antane 6.5-foot Desk Clamp Power Strip could be precisely what you need. This is not your typical power strip. It's an 11-in-1 desktop station with 5 widely spread AC outlets and 6 USB ports, including 4 USB-C PD connectors for fast charging. That means you can power or charge up to 11 devices at once, including laptops and displays, phones, tablets, and more, without having to fight for outlets. The fast-charging USB-C ports are especially useful for rapid boosts, giving up to 20 watts per port so your devices do not remain attached indefinitely. One of the best aspects is the clamp design. Instead of cluttering your workspace with a sliding grip, this power hub securely mounts to your desk or table edge up to 2.1 inches thick to keep everything neatly in place. Installation is a breeze. No drilling or additional equipment is necessary. Simply tighten the clamp and you're done. It also includes surge, overload, and short-circuit protection, ensuring that your devices are safe from unexpected power surges. Of course, it has a few oddities. The clamp has a size limit, so thicker cables may not fit, and while tiny, it does take up some edge area. Some may also find the 6.5-foot cord too short for some installations. Overall, the Antane Desk Lamp Power Strip is a sensible, elegant, and functional solution for anyone who uses numerous devices. It keeps your desk organized, your gadgets charged, and your mind free of cable chaos. The ideal balance of convenience and safety. Number 8. Goblin's Treasures DIY Screen Pen Pencil Holders. If your desk is always cluttered with pens, pencils, and other stationery, the Goblin's Treasures DIY Screen Pen Pencil Holders are an incredibly useful solution. This 3-pack of desktop organizers is meant to keep your basics neatly contained, with 3 distinct compartments to easily sort pens, markers, and even small office accessories. Because of its modest size, it does not take up valuable desk space, allowing even a small workspace to feel tidy and functional. These holders, made of durable polypropylene, are lightweight but resilient, allowing them to be moved between the home, office, or school without cracking or breaking. The simple gray color offers a neutral, modest touch to your workstation, complementing most office decor. Because they are portable and lightweight, they are ideal for folks who prefer to change up their workspace or take their supplies on the road. However, because the containers are small, bulkier things such as thick markers, scissors, or rulers may not fit properly. Some users may find the adhesive finish to be restrictive if they try to apply it to a wall or vertical surface. While neutral gray is flexible, it may feel a little drab if you prefer a more colorful, fun style. Overall, the Goblin's Treasures pen and pencil holders are a simple, useful, and space-saving addition to any workstation. They're great for anyone who wants to stay organized without compromising portability, and they provide a sensible answer to everyday desktop clutter. Number 7. Lumen's Ring Light with Stand. If you're serious about video chats, streaming, or content creation, the Evershop 1300 Lumen ring light with stand can completely transform your workstation setting. Unlike ordinary ring lights, which only reach 500 lumens, this 10-inch full-panel light produces a bright, even 1300 lumens, illuminating your face and background without casting harsh shadows. It's ideal for podcasters, streamers, and influencers who want a professional studio-quality experience at home. What truly distinguishes it is the edge-lit, side-lit technology. The improved guide panel distributes light smoothly and gently, eliminating glare and eye strain during extended calls or recording sessions. With a CRI of 98+, the colors are extremely accurate, skin tones appear natural, and backgrounds pop exactly as they should. Plus, with 3 color temperatures and 10 brightness settings, you can create 30 lighting combinations to achieve the ideal glow, whether it's a comfortable evening stream or a daylight-style video shoot. The ring light's strong, wide base and metal stand keep everything steady, while a 360-degree flexible phone holder holds devices up to 3.54 inches, allowing you to record vertical and horizontal images without juggling your phone. On the flip side, the stand takes up some workspace, and the light's brightness can be overwhelming if you're not careful at close range. Overall, this ring light is simple to use, quite adaptable, and ideal for creative projects. It illuminates your desk, improves your movies, and even serves as a wonderful present for anyone who spends hours filming. It's a sturdy, elegant, and functional enhancement for any desk. Number 6. KDD 7-in-1 Clamp. The KDD 7-in-1 clamp-on desk pegboard serves as a little command center for all your essentials. This multifunctional organizer has a phone holder, 3 hooks for headphones or controllers, 2 storage boxes of varying sizes, a removable medium compartment, and 5 extra hooks. Essentially, it provides a place for practically everything: pens, keys, cables, phones, and controllers, allowing you to keep your desk tidy and know precisely where everything is at a glance. One of the best aspects of this pegboard is its adaptable design. You may mix and match the storage modules to your liking, moving compartments and hooks around to suit your workflow or gaming setup. It's also detachable, allowing you to assemble or disassemble it in seconds without using any tools. That adaptability makes it ideal for compact workplaces or multi-purpose areas, allowing you to maximize space while keeping everything within reach. The clamp-on design allows for easy installation with no drilling necessary. The desk clamp has protective pads to keep your surface scratch-free, but it only fits desks that are less than 2 inches thick. On the negative, because it is constructed of plastic, it may not feel as sturdy as other all-metal organizers, and heavy goods may not be suitable for hanging on it. Overall, the KDD desk pegboard is a useful and versatile addition to gaming, student, or home office environments. It keeps your basics organized, customizable, and easily accessible, making your workspace both functional and personalized. Number 5. Center's Floating Globe. If you want to add some wow factor to your desk, the Center's floating globe with LED lights is a great discussion starter. This isn't your average globe. It levitates and revolves in midair thanks to an electronically controlled magnetic system. The effect is captivating, making it feel like a small piece of futuristic technology sitting on your desk. When you turn on the LED lights, it changes into a glowing centerpiece, providing a soothing, cool light that makes it appear even more high-tech, especially in the dark. The globe is made of sleek acrylic and displays a comprehensive world map in black and silver tones, which complements modern office or home decor. It's small enough to fit on a desk without taking up too much space, yet large enough to notice and enjoy. One of the best parts is that it appeals to everyone: kids, students, professionals, and anyone who enjoys a distinctive gadget. However, because it relies on magnetic levitation, it must be handled with care. You cannot simply bump it or move it around indiscriminately. It also requires a sturdy, level surface to function correctly. Thus, uneven-edged desks may be problematic. Overall, the Center's floating globe is more than simply a decorative item. It's a delightful interactive piece of technology that blends education, aesthetics, and entertainment. It's elegant, futuristic, and makes an ideal desk companion for anyone who enjoys electronics or wants to wow visitors with something unique. Number 4. Luxure Desk Side Storage. If your desk is cluttered with computers, tablets, cables, and office supplies, the Luxure Desk Side Storage is a smart, practical solution for keeping everything within reach. This clamp-on organizer is composed of durable steel with a powder-coated finish, giving it a sleek appearance while supporting up to 22 pounds, ideal for laptops or even hidden wiring. The integrated magnetic pen holder is a useful addition, allowing you to connect pens, USB hubs, or small accessories straight to the organizer for added convenience. One of the best features of this desk accessory is its anti-slip and anti-scratch design. Silicone cushions line the clamp's edges, ensuring a solid grip on your desk without damaging your laptop or surface. The heat dissipation holes are another clever addition that keeps devices from overheating when charging or in use. Furthermore, installation is simple, no drilling or tools are necessary, and it fits flat-edged desks ranging from 0.3 to 2.8 inches thick. Of course, there are certain limits. Curved or uneven desks are incompatible with the clamp since it only works on flat-edged tables. The larger two-tier version provides more space, but it requires extra side desk space, which may not be suitable for smaller configurations. Overall, the Luxure desk side storage is adaptable, practical, and attractive. It organizes your workstation, protects your electronics, and adds a touch of style with the magnetic pen holder. For students, home offices, or anybody juggling many gadgets, it's an excellent method to maximize desk space while keeping everything accessible and tidy. Number 3. Spacon Night Pen Holder. If you want to add some style and functionality to your desk, the Spacon Night Pen Holder is a fun and useful choice. This ingenious desk addition depicts a knight kneeling as if giving something important, ideal for storing pens, glasses, keys, or tiny office supplies. It even includes 2 pens ready for daily use, allowing you to get started right away. The design is whimsical without being overly flashy, giving your workstation a lively yet sophisticated vibe. The size is ideal, measuring approximately 9.5 by 13 by 15 centimeters or 3.7 by 5 by 5.9 inches, so it stands out on your desk without taking up too much space. Each pen is approximately 13.7 centimeters long, making it comfortable to write with while also fitting precisely inside the holder. This pen stand is made of strong resin and meticulously painted, and the colors are fade resistant, ensuring that your Night looks great for a long time. On the other hand, while the Night design is distinctive and eye-catching, it may not suit every desk aesthetic. Those who like minimalist or modern styles may find it a little whimsical. Its modest size also makes it ideal for storing a few items rather than a vast collection of resources. Overall, the Spacon Night Pen Holder is more than simply a pen stand. It serves as a conversation starter, functional organizer, and playful decorative element all in one. It's ideal for offices, home studies, or as a nice present for anybody who enjoys entertaining and functional desk accessories. Number 2. KDD Headphone and Controller Stand. If your desk is congested with headphones, controllers, and charging wires, the KDD headphone and controller stand is a great solution to keep everything organized and easily accessible. This compact desk organizer is intended to serve several purposes. It can carry up to 2 controllers, a headset, and even a smartphone or Nintendo Switch in one neat location. The updated cable hole design is a simple but fantastic feature that allows you to elegantly wind your headset or controller charging cords, ensuring they never become tangled or dirty. The stand is intended to last with a robust aluminum support bar and a metal base. Its low center of gravity provides stability. Its rubber-coated hooks and a silicone padded bottom keep your devices from slipping or damaging your electronics. At 11.2 inches tall, 6.7 inches long, and 5.9 inches wide, it's small enough to fit on almost any desk while remaining stylish enough to complement your setup at home, in the office, or next to your television. Of course, there are certain trade-offs. It's intended for vertical positioning, so if you prefer to stack items otherwise, it might not function as well. Also, while it accommodates most regular controllers and headphones, extra large gadgets may feel a little cramped. Overall, the KDD headphone stand is a versatile, functional, and beautiful way to keep gaming and work gear organized. It frees up workspace, eliminates cable clutter, and keeps your favorite gadgets within easy reach. Number 1. Simple Houseware. If your desk is always packed with pens, office supplies, or small gadgets, the Simple Houseware 6-compartment desktop organizer is an excellent solution for bringing order to chaos. This elegant black metal organizer features 6 sections, including a bottom sliding drawer and a detachable tiny pen bucket. It's ideal for holding everything from pencils, rulers, and erasers to paper clips, sticky notes, and other tiny office supplies. The combination of compartments and drawer capacity is a striking feature, as it allows you to organize your items in a variety of ways. The detachable pen bucket is very useful. It can be moved about or removed completely for added desk freedom. The sliding drawer is a nice touch, as it allows you to hide items that don't belong in your office. Additionally, the powder-coated finish provides it a sophisticated appearance that complements most workplace or home decor. On the negative, because it is composed of mesh metal, very small items such as pins or beads may fall through, so it is best suited for typical office supplies. Furthermore, while it is compact and space-saving, the height may feel too excessive for really small desks. Overall, the simple Houseware 6-compartment organizer is functional, adaptable, and attractive. It's a simple method to organize your desk, keep basics within reach, and add a visually appealing touch of organization. And there you have it, the top 10 desk setup devices that will make your office look costly while keeping everything neat and beautiful. From elegant concrete organizers to futuristic floating globes, adaptable clamp-on storage, and even fanciful night pen holders, each item adds functionality and style to your desk. Whether you're a student, gamer, or home office pro, these gadgets will keep you working while also adding personality to your workplace. If you enjoyed this guide and want to see more intelligent and elegant options for your desk or home office, be sure to subscribe and join the LegitPick community.